Did you know that space travel can change your DNA? Or did you know that the Earth is in the Sun? Hello and welcome to InfoBurst. Today we are going to discuss some creepy and yet disturbing facts about space. Before we start, make sure you like and subscribe. 99.1% of people don't subscribe. If you subscribe, it will allow me to make more amazing content like this. So let's get started. Here are 10 creepy facts about space. Fact 1: chunks of the Milky Way are being sucked out. Something unknown, bigger than the entire known universe, is sucking part of the galaxy that is your home. In 2009, scientists discovered that a cluster of galaxies is moving at an alarming rate toward a small patch of sky between the constellations Centauri and Vela. Scientists have called this phenomenon dark flow, referring to other cosmic mysteries, dark matter and dark energy. Fact 2: the night sky will one day be completely dark. As the Milky Way continues to merge with neighboring galaxies, the view of the night sky from Earth will change dramatically. The rapid expansion would eventually split galaxies apart faster than the speed of light, eliminating the unique artifacts of the Big Bang and invalidating the reference point for expansion measurements. Fact 3: astronauts would have to drink 730 liters of processed sweat and urine to live in space for a year. Water is a limited resource in space, so astronauts must resort to recycling their own waste. NASA astronaut Scott Kelly ingested approximately 730 liters of recycled urine and sweat during his one-year mission. Please subscribe and like before continuing. Fact 4: solar superstorms can cause global blackouts. In July 2012, a coronal mass ejection (CME), dubbed a solar superstorm by the media, ripped apart Earth's orbit and collided with the stereo of spacecraft. According to Daniel Baker of the University of Colorado, if the superstorm had hit a week earlier, the planet would have been devastated and destroyed. Fact 5: long-term space travel can change your DNA. Astronaut Scott Kelly, who spent a year on the International Space Station in 2016, returned 2 centimeters taller than he started. The new physical differences between Kelly and his identical twin brother Mike, also an astronaut, are striking. The researchers compared the two men's DNA and found that not only was Kelly 2 centimeters taller, she also had completely different gut bacteria and altered gene expression. The researchers concluded that these changes were caused by the stress of space travel, which may have caused changes in the cell's biological pathways. Although Kelly eventually returned to his original height, his other genetic changes appeared to be irreversible, meaning that Kelly and his brother are no longer identical twins. Fact 6: there is sound in the room. Despite the popular belief that space is a vacuum, it actually is. The interstellar dust in certain regions is so dense that it can carry sound waves. Although these waves are imperceptible to humans, some of the sounds in space may include the hum of massive black holes, the groaning of the Earth's crust as it moves, and the remnants of the expanding universe. Please subscribe and like before continuing. Fact number 7: the space emits a unique aroma. Astronauts returning from space are often accompanied by a strange, characteristic smell. People who encountered the smell described it as sulfur, and compared it to the smell of gunpowder, grilled steak, hot metal and welding fumes. Fact 8: water can cause a fire in the room. In 2014, researchers conducted experiments with supercritical water, which takes on the state of water when it is compressed to a pressure of 217 atmospheres and heated to more than 373 degrees Celsius. When mixed with organic materials, it produces a liquid-like gas that produces a burning effect but no flame. Astronauts often use supercritical water for waste disposal. Fact number 9: the Earth is technically inside the Sun. Although the Sun is generally thought to be 93 million miles from Earth, its atmosphere extends beyond not only Earth, but also Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and even Neptune. Because Earth is in this heliosphere, the bubble-like region of space dominated by the Sun, man is not only an inhabitant of the Earth, but also of the Sun. Fact 10: galaxies can eat each other. Galactic cannibalism is the process by which a large galaxy merges with a companion galaxy through tidal gravitational interaction. This process often produces an irregular galaxy, as shown in the examples of vortex, mouse, and antenna galaxies. Galactic cannibalism is not to be confused with galactic collisions, where galaxies collide but retain their original shapes. Thanks for watching. Comment on creepy facts not covered in the video. You can also make suggestions in the comment field. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching InfoBurst for great content like this. Thanks again.